Hi, I'm going to give an overview now of the Tilt TV wall bracket that I have in front of me here. This is extremely clever, extremely good design. Okay, so it's from comes in this outer retail packaging here. A huge range of TV brackets, and we're increasingly going to standardize all our products on this particular one, simply because I think the build quality and the price point on them are absolutely fantastic. So this is for discreetly mounting a TV on the wall and just having a tilt in terms of being able to adjust the TV. So the full specifications are listed on the product page here, but basically there's two component parts on it. There's this bracket, which is bolted via these bolts here onto the TV, and then there's this bracket here that we use these three screws and plugs here to mount directly onto the wall. Okay, so what I'll say first of all is that it supports VESA 100 by 100 and VESA 75 by 75, and really what we're talking about here is that the center hole distance from here to here is 100 millimeters, and from here to here is 100 millimeters, and that's something that's standardized across TVs. And with larger TVs you'll move out to VESA 200 by 200, etc. So on the smaller TV range, and we're talking here from 15 to 26 is what it says it'll work with, but in reality it'll work with slightly larger TVs as well. We've actually demonstrated here in a 28-inch TV recently. So what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to give a demonstration of the VESA holes and how we line them up. So we have here is a TV, I think this is a 19-inch, and what we'll do is we'll just hold this up here. We can see how the holes line up, and we'll use the bolts here. So there's four different sizes, or three different sizes depending on the size of the holes in it, and we can use any one of those, and just a washer, we just screw it in and we have the bracket then mounted onto the back of the TV. Okay, so I'll just put that part out of the way now, and then we'll talk about this here. So we'll come along and we could use the screws here, and there's a total of 5 holes here, so we can have different mounting options on it. People normally maybe would use the top 2 and the bottom one here, the middle one here, and use all 2 screws in it, although you probably get away with slightly less in terms of it. And when we go to the only pre-assembly work we've done on this is we've just taken out these 2 bolts here. We've actually just screwed them in here. Okay, we've left them out flush, just a short distance here. And when we actually go to mount this, what we can do is we get the hooks that are here, which is a safety thing, and we just drop these in over the little ridges that are there, and we slide it in like that. And what we can do then is the TV will obviously be in a position then, and what we can do is we can adjust it down, and we have the angle adjustment on it then. So that's what people really want, is they want a low cost solution, something that's sturdy and secure, and in this particular scenarios they want to be able to tilt down simply because the TV might be mounted at height, something like that. So overall we'll say it's absolutely fantastic in terms of the design, and the price point it comes in at, you'll see it listed on our website. This bracket itself is available from freetv.ie with free delivery. It's part of a much wider range of TV brackets in terms of flat tilting brackets, also cantilever types, etc., ceiling brackets, etc. And it's all found within the mounting section on freetv.ie.